All right, everybody, welcome. I am Josh Dempsey for StreamSemester.com, and I'm very excited because today I get to do my first unboxing video ever. Recently had a chance to talk to some people at Blackmagic, and I am very excited to be able to get my hands on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K Gen 2. Now, this camera's been out, I believe, for a little over a year, but my experience thus far has been limited to just using the Pocket Cinema 4K. But I am really excited to open this up and see what we've got in here. Opening up the box, we've got the padding here, the fun bubble stuff that I can give to my kids and let them play with that later. But inside of that box is what we're looking for, and that is, again, the Pocket Cinema 6K Gen 2. I hear that there's been a lot of good upgrades for this. I believe it's in the 6K Pro body, and so it has, I believe, 2 XLR inputs and some things like that. But I'm really excited to open it up and see what we're dealing with here. All right. This is way more fun than I could ever have imagined. So, all right, we've got our paper here from Blackmagic, the manifest, and I am responsible for this thing. Got us a nice camera strap in here. I'll set that there. We do have the power supply in the box as well, and thankfully they sent us a battery. Let me see. We're looking at the NPF550 or the 570 batteries with this, so that's good to know. And then with our Blackmagic products, Blackmagic being a company out of Australia, they are thoughtful and they are sending us our adapters for different kinds of power around the world. But here in the US, not going to need that. We've got that already on the power supply. All right, so taking out the first layer of the styrofoam there, and going to set that over here out of the way a little further, there we go. All right, and here we are with the camera. The package, it's seated well here in the box. You can see that it is well protected inside of there. Man, that is significantly larger than the 4Ks that I'm used to. And I've got to say, just from picking this up right here, right now, I am already liking the way that this feels. It feels very solid, and it feels like something that would be really easy to use. All right, so looking in the box here, got a couple of other little things I'm trying to get out. We've got a USB, micro USB to USB-A, and we have the battery charger, so we can actually take this show on the road and charge this up while we're out and about. I haven't looked into it. I'm assuming they probably make a battery grip. That's one thing that about these Blackmagic cameras that I have found to be a little problematic is the battery life. I'm hoping that this will give me a good amount of shoot time, but we'll have to check that out. So I'm going to go ahead and pop in the battery just to see what I'm looking at here. And here we are. So just looking at this, one thing that I am noticing right out of the gate here that I am seeing as a huge plus is going to be the actual fold-out screen here. One of the problems when you're using the 4Ks is it's just a flat screen on the back, but with this you do have the slide out screen, so you can pop that out, angle it, so if you wanted to do some shooting from down low, you can do that. And if for some reason the camera is above you, you can just angle it forward, so you're going to be able to look up at the screen there as well. If for some reason you just wanted to pull it away from the camera, it does pop out like that, but again, you can angle it up, so if you're shooting low, or you can angle it down if you're shooting high. So I think that is a pretty cool feature. We've got our on off switch here on the top. I'm going to go ahead and flip that on just to see if there's any juice here in the battery, and there is. And I don't know that you can really see this, nor if you really need to, but it does have the setup here immediately. And I'm going to go ahead and select English. I'm going to click OK. And here we are inside of the interface. It's defaulting here to 24 frames per second at a 180-degree shutter. Just looking at this, some things I'm noticing different on the menu is it looks like 2 card slots, and it even has a thing here where it talks about the drive. So I'm assuming that is so you can use, I believe, probably this USB here on the side, if I can get that open. Yeah, there's a USB-C port here on the side, so you could hook up an external hard drive. The file size on these cameras can be immense, so having a USB hard drive that you can plug into is definitely going to be a benefit there. Now, I don't have the lens. I believe this is an EF mount lens. And if I can get a lens on here in the next little bit, I will try to tell you more about that. But I will probably talk about it after I get some hands-on time actually recording with this. Looking forward to testing it out. I will definitely give you an update, let you see some of what I shot, and I look forward to giving you a more thorough review after that. Again, this is Josh Dempsey. You're watching StreamSemester.com, and we appreciate you.